Here I have Google Home, and today I'm going to show you how to reboot this device. So firstly, you'll have to open this Google Home app, then access its device here, go to its settings, tap on here, and here you have the button Reboot, and then confirm it by tapping OK, and after that device will be rebooted. And that's how it works. It reboots. It reboots right now. As you can see, like, it's glowing. It's in some kind of process, I guess. Oh, and now it's rebooted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.